I got. I went ahead and got the 62cc Neotech. Need to put the little baby dogs on it and get it out there, run it through a couple heat cycles and see what it does. Then we'll be putting it up against some of the other 62cc saws that I have. Handy tool to have. Handy tool to have. It works, even with one hand. Hopefully this will be as impressive as the other 62cc saws that I have. Is there definitely some rippers. I got the Garwinner, the Real Sup Mix, and guess what other saw I have coming? Vevor. Wonderful tool to have. Get one of these ratchet style scrunches. They are super, super handy. And get them off Amazon. All right, let's take it out and put it in some wood. All right, let's take this little Neotech 62cc saw and we'll run it. So first time I run it, so we'll just run it through some of this hard oak and run it through one heat cycle and see how it does. I put the chain on backwards. Ain't gonna cut like that. All right, take two. With the chain on in the proper direction. That's a lot better. Trying to cut them into good cookies. I'm going to make little stools or end tables out of these. Now once you run it a little bit and it gets good and warm, these suckers will really spin up. So I'm trying to take my time in the videos, so I'm trying to make these as consistent as possible because they're for my woodworking stuff. So far I like it. We'll have to put it to the test to get some of the other 62cc saws and see how they work.